Hi, ciao, I'm Tommaso. I wanted to show you something very, very nice. I love aubergines and I love vegetables. Now, this is something very, very special for vegans because there is nothing from animals at all. But vegetarian will love that too. But saying that, everybody can have the kind dish. So this doesn't have to be anything. So what I'm going to do, I got 3 spring onions, okay, but you can use onions if you want. I cut the ends, I cut the back, not too much, very roughly, like that. That's one thing. And then I got some aubergine. You can cut this one in small cubes, like that. There we go, that's plenty. And then I'm going to cut 1 carrot. Again, you can cut the way you want, round, or you can do this, all right? And cut them in strips like that. So they're going to cook quite quickly, and you can have them be crunchy as well. Okay, so I'll do this way, like that. Be careful when you cut with the knife because it's always dangerous. You got to have, be calm, yeah? Put your background music, some classic, and relax. Enjoy it, don't worry. I cut this around, like that. Keep your fingers away all the time. Okay. I don't know what the big star chefs thinks about me, but I don't really care, you know. That's that. Okay, so now I got 1 aubergine, small aubergine. Again, don't worry about the shape, it doesn't really matter. Okay, I cut it this way, like that. Probably my friend, she knows about these things because she works in the hotel. She might have been seeing this a million times, are you? Yeah, there you go. That, and then, because it has to be nice and colorful. The pepper here, yellow one. Like that, and some red one, like that. Okay, are you following me from home? I hope you do, because you can do this anytime. Don't buy anything ready. A little bit of a lick. There we go. I mean, I'm talking about lick as a veg, no lick on the roof. Okay, a little bit of that. And now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different kind of vegetables, but you can put many as you like. It doesn't matter what you want. Okay, this is quite traditional and it's very, very Mediterranean. Okay, so that's what we're going to cook Adam now. Okay, there we go. So we're going to start cooking soon. Right, okay, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, now we're going to cook this beautiful, colorful vegetables. And as I said before, you got 4 different vegetables, okay? You chop 2 cloves of garlic. You don't need to be too precise, just like that. Very rustic. So I'm going to put the olive oil in here. The pan is nice and hot. Now remember, you don't have to overcook them. If they're a bit crunchy, it's absolutely fine, which most of the people like that. Okay, so put some olive oil there with a couple more seconds. I got a little bit parsley here, fresh parsley, and some basil, and you can add some mint as well, but in this case I'm not going to put any in. Okay, so I'm going to stick with the parsley and the basil and some oregano and black pepper. Can I get the oregano from there if you don't mind, please? Can you see it? Thank you very much indeed. Thanks, Ben. What a lovely chef you are. Fantastic. You've been promoted now. You have been promoted. There you go. Put my veg in. Just like that. I love the colors. I just love the colors. And I wish you were here, actually, to experience the smell, il profumo è qualcosa proprio di spettacolare, something beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. I mean, pinch of salt, always easy with the salt, remember, always easy. oregano. I can finish this off, no problem. There you go. Okay. As I said before, it doesn't have to be really, really overcooked. So it's almost like having almost raw but warm, yeah. So it's quite nice as well. Yeah, and see. Okay, I'll pass them over here because it's faster. Okay. You don't have to do that because if you haven't got the experience or the practice, you might throw everything in the air. And that would be very funny. But that's what it's all about, having fun. Yeah? So don't worry. I just learned all these things by myself and watched my mum and dad when I was little, and I just pick up things from them. I mean, my dad, he couldn't do that. My mum, he couldn't do that. You know, she was just staring like that. This is a modern day in cooking. Tossing the things, so they didn't do that. Yeah, and as I say, you got to enjoy when you're cooking. If you think you have to make an effort and you think, oh gosh, I have to cook again, or no, it doesn't have to be like that. Enjoy it, you know, just put all the passion in, all the love, because that's how the dishes become very tasty as well. Because if you just not good. So there you go, people, friends around the world. Please do, attention, okay? Just cook with love and passion. Believe me, whatever you make with love and passion is much tastier. Beautiful. Right, I'm going to give another couple of minutes, okay? Because I just want to leave it crunchy. Almost raw. I mean, it couldn't be good for my mum and dad because when they were old, you know, crunchy stuff is not so good. But for the young generation, they tell you something not to be overcooked. That's fine. There's another thing I will show you with this one next time, with this kind of vegetables. Something really nice. Similar to pate. I don't call it pate, not even spread. I will call it whatever, a vegetarian spread. Yeah, really nice. Okay, I'm going to take this out, okay, and put them on the plate for you guys. I'm going to put a little sprinkle of basil. I've got a little bit of basil here and parsley and finish them off. Again, you don't worry about enough chopping it, just like that. Black pepper. Like that. You can put chili as well if you like chili, okay? Black pepper's fine too. Okay. Little bit toast. A little drizzle of olive oil, sorry, and it's done. Okay, now I'm going to dish it out this beautiful vegetables. Very generous. There we go. How about that, eh? You see, eh? Too much there, isn't it? No, I'm only joking. I'm not like this. This is the one you wanted to see. Look at this. Can you see this on the camera? Yeah? How about that? How colorful it is. I move this one around. Look at this. So beautiful. And the smell. Crunchy. Not overcooked. Crunchy. Mamma mia. Spettacolare. Friends from all over the world, bye for now, and I'll see you very soon. Bye. Ciao, ciao.